Peace of mind.
Peace of mind.
Peace of mind.
Peace of mind.
Welcome! Today we're talking about the intelligent noise reduction fetal Doppler, a revolutionary way to monitor your baby's health at home.
I love how easy it is to use and the sound is crystal clear.
It's so portable. I can take it anywhere. Perfect for busy moms.
I feel so connected to my baby, especially with the noise reduction feature.
It really gives me peace of mind knowing my baby is healthy.
Experience peace of mind yourself with the intelligent noise reduction fetal Doppler. Don't miss out. Order yours today.